how to make appointment with PNC Bank. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can make an appointment with the PNC Bank, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to make an appointment with PNC Bank, you can do so from the mobile app, but the easiest way is I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description box. You simply want to go to that link over here and then you'll land on this official page as you can find it. Then once you're on this page, you'll be able to see it says we're ready when you are and make an appointment. So all you have to do is just make sure to tap this blue button that says make an appointment, as you can find here, and it says that do you have a PNC online banking user ID. So you can just go ahead and select yes if you have or no if you do not have. Once you've done that, it will ask you to log into your mobile banking or your online banking account details, and as you've entered and logged into your account details, it will ask you for all of the places and the time where you want to book your appointment with the PNC specialist. And that is it on how you can make an appointment with PNC Bank. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.